He's good with origami, or him. He might be better.
Yo, you're good at origami.
You folded it the wrong way.
All right.
Oh, you see a lot of stuff. You see it in envelopes, you see origami, you see a $20 bill, you might see a $50 bill.
Well, great.
It's been going on for so long, so it's fun to keep the tradition going, but it's also very meaningful to the whole community to see all of us coming together to do something important.
It is. I think it's great to donate to certain causes and things, helping those in need.
Yeah, we like to keep it local. At least this year for sure, we're keeping it definitely within the district, which I think just means a little bit more. Fold right there. Fold right there.
It's really cool and just sentimental to know that this tradition has been going on for years.
I think it's really important to give back to such a supportive community.
There is a deeper meaning with it, and we try to make it so that as many kids as possible will connect to it. And I think we've seen that over the years.